Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. This is the was the top of the line Silverado back in 2017. And this thing is in mint shape. Echo! I'm a child. Love the blackout badges that this has. Really nice interior. Nice cup holders. Really nice truck. Fully automatic windows. Actually, all four are fully automatic. Wireless charging. Nice deep center console. Here we have the original window sticker. 2017 Silverado High Country. This has the 5.3 with the 8-speed. Total price new was $62,685, and this one is currently listed for $36,900. Really nice truck. Ventilated, heated seats. Anything you would ever need. Sunroof. Yeah, without further ado, let's go for a drive. Of course, I get stuck in traffic. That's just about normal for me. I've always loved the 5.3. I think it's a great motor. Tons of torque, tons of power. And it has a fantastic sound to it. I've always been a big fan of this generation of Silverado. From 14 on until 2019, 2020. I just think overall it's a really nice truck. It drives phenomenal. do have a semi-manual mode where you put it into low and you can manually limit what gear the truck maxes out at. Really good amount of power from this thing, and it's super quiet and comfortable too. It's a very good all-around truck. Wow, I'm in love with this thing. This is an awesome truck. Now we'll test and see if manual mode will auto upshift. Nope. Nice. Good job, Chevy. See how it rides over these bumps, especially with these lower profile tires. I'm curious to see how it does. So far so good. Wow, really nice. Kind of a shame that we have somebody doing 10 under the speed limit in front of us, but still getting a nice feel for what the Silverado is like to drive. I like it a lot. Really, really nice truck. 8-speed automatics, fantastic. No complaints at all. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.